spreading the love. It's Random Acts of Kindness Day, and students in the Teens for Healthy Youth organization at Bluffton High School are hoping to make kindness contagious.
We're passing out positive notes to teachers, and we're also passing out bags of candy for the teachers to administer to their students. We set up positive signs around the school, and also there was a morning announcement that spread positive vibes to the whole school.
This day is all about lifting one another's spirits by performing good deeds that motivate others to pay it forward. Students say even the smallest act of kindness can change a life, and they feel being kind now is as important as ever due to the COVID-19 pandemic.
Thank you so much.
During this time, it's really stressful for people and especially for teachers, so we want to know that they are appreciated and they're loved by their students, and we should show more kindness in the world.
I think it is really important for everyone to be showing kindness at times like these. You know, something as simple as a smile can really just help someone's day. So make sure everyone is being kind. It's really important.
Random Acts of Kindness Day started in 1995 in Colorado by the nonprofit organization, the Random Acts of Kindness Foundation. At Bluffton High School, Ron Lopes, Beaufort County School District.